Do you want to meditate but don't know where to start? You're not alone. The prospect of beginning to meditate can be daunting. So many of us are searching for that sense of inner peace and stillness, but the path to getting there can seem unclear. We yearn for the transformative power of meditation, but the how-to often leaves us feeling lost. Let me share with you 6 simple steps that helped me start a fulfilling meditation practice. These steps provided the clarity and structure I needed, and I just know they can do the same for you. Before we dive into the practicalities, let's talk about what meditation really is. You see, it's not about silencing your mind completely or contorting yourself into impossible poses. It's about understanding the nature of your mind. Think of your mind as a vast, swirling ocean. On the surface, there are constant waves of thoughts, emotions, and distractions, much like the choppy waters during a storm. But beneath the surface, deep down, there's a profound stillness and clarity, an undisturbed calmness that's always present. Meditation is about diving deep, past those surface waves and accessing that peaceful space within. It's about becoming an observer of your thoughts, not a slave to them. Imagine sitting by the shore, watching those waves rise and fall without getting swept away. That's the essence of meditation. And what's truly amazing is that this practice allows us to see ourselves more clearly. Without the constant chatter of our minds, we can observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, leading to profound self-awareness. It's about cultivating a loving and compassionate relationship with ourselves, accepting ourselves exactly as we are. Remember, my friends, meditation is a journey of self-discovery, and like any worthwhile journey, it begins with a single step. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is setting unrealistic expectations. They think they need to meditate for an hour right off the bat or achieve a state of complete emptiness in their minds. Let me tell you, that's a recipe for discouragement. Instead, I encourage you to start small. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space, set a timer, and simply focus on your breath. It might feel challenging at first, but that's okay. The key is consistency, not perfection. Think of it like building physical fitness. You wouldn't expect to run a marathon on your first day of training, would you? You'd start with short runs, gradually increasing your distance and stamina over time. Meditation is the same way. Be patient with yourself and celebrate those small victories. Each time you sit down to meditate, even if it's just for a few minutes, you're reinforcing that commitment to yourself, to your well-being. And as you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your meditation time. You might find yourself naturally drawn to longer sessions as you experience the profound benefits firsthand. Now, let's talk about different meditation techniques. There are countless methods out there, each with its own unique flavor. The key is to find one that resonates with you, one that you'll actually enjoy practicing. Some popular techniques include mindfulness meditation, where you focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. There's also loving kindness meditation, where you cultivate feelings of compassion and kindness towards yourself and others. If you're more visually oriented, try visualization meditation. Imagine a peaceful scene, like a tranquil beach or a lush forest, and let your mind wander in that serene setting. And for those who love music, there's mantra meditation, where you repeat a calming word or sound to quiet the mind. Experiment with different techniques and see what feels most natural to you. There's no right or wrong way to meditate, as long as it helps you cultivate inner peace and clarity. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, so embrace the freedom to explore and find what works best for you. It's about discovering the practices that nourish your soul and help you connect with your inner wisdom. Now let's talk about staying committed to your meditation practice. Life can get busy and it's easy to let other things take priority. But just like any important appointment or commitment, we need to make time for ourselves, for our well-being. One helpful tip is to create a specific time and place for meditation. Whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed, find a time that works best for you and stick to it. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Another powerful strategy is to find a meditation buddy or join a group. Having that sense of community and shared experience can provide invaluable support and encouragement. And in today's digital age, there are countless meditation apps available that offer guided meditations, timers, and progress trackers. These apps can be incredibly helpful for beginners and experienced meditators alike. The key is to find what works best for you and stay accountable to your practice. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the profound benefits of meditation. As you embark on your meditation journey, consider keeping a journal to track your thoughts, insights, and progress. Think of it as a sacred space to reflect on your experiences and witness your own growth. After each meditation session, take a few moments to jot down any significant thoughts, emotions, or sensations that arose. Did you notice any recurring patterns or insights? Did you experience moments of deep peace or clarity? Writing down your experiences can help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your meditation practice. It allows you to track your progress over time and celebrate how far you've come. Your meditation journal can also serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. On days when you're feeling discouraged or unmotivated, look back on your entries and remind yourself of the positive impact meditation has had on your life. Remember, this journal is for your eyes only, so feel free to be completely honest and authentic in your reflections. Finally, my friends, remember to be kind to yourself on this journey. Meditation is a practice, not a destination, and there will be days when your mind races, when distractions arise, and when you feel like you're not making any progress. It's important to approach these challenges with self-compassion and understanding. Instead of judging yourself for those moments of distraction, simply acknowledge them with kindness and gently redirect your attention back to your breath or your chosen object of focus. Remember, even the most experienced meditators still encounter challenges. It's all part of the process. The key is to approach your practice with a beginner's mind, with a sense of curiosity and openness. Each time you sit down to meditate, you have a fresh opportunity to connect with your inner stillness, to cultivate peace, and to nurture your well-being. So, embrace the journey with all its ups and downs, and remember that you are exactly where you need to be. Remember, meditation is a journey to understanding who you are and who you will become. It's about cultivating a deep sense of self-awareness, inner peace, and connection to something greater than ourselves. By following these steps, you will enjoy getting to know the real you. Start your meditation journey today and discover the peace and confidence it brings.